Welcome to Auto Pulse, the channel where performance, comfort, and real-world riding come together. Today's video is dedicated to a motorcycle that perfectly blends sport bike DNA with long-distance touring comfort, the Kawasaki Versys 1000. This is not a hardcore adventure bike and not a full-size luxury tourer either. Instead, it sits confidently in between, offering versatility, power, and refinement in one well-balanced package. Designed for riders who want one motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, aggressive weekend rides, and long highway journeys with equal confidence, the Versys 1000 has earned a strong reputation across the global motorcycling community. In this video, we'll explore its legacy, design, performance, technology, riding experience, pricing, and overall value to understand why this machine continues to stand out in the sport touring segment. The legacy of Kawasaki Versys 1000. The legacy of the Versys 1000 is rooted in Kawasaki's vision of creating a road-focused touring motorcycle that doesn't sacrifice performance for comfort. When the Versys name was first introduced, it represented versatility systems, and the Versys 1000 carried this philosophy forward on a much larger and more powerful scale. Over the years, Kawasaki has refined this model with continuous updates to its engine tuning, chassis balance, electronics, and overall ride quality. Rather than chasing trends, the Versys 1000 evolved by responding to real rider feedback, focusing on smooth power delivery, long-distance comfort, and confidence-inspiring handling. Its reputation has grown as a reliable, refined, and capable motorcycle that appeals to riders who want sporty performance without the aggressive ergonomics of a pure sport bike. Design and aesthetic. From a design perspective, the Versys 1000 presents a bold and purposeful appearance that immediately communicates its touring intentions. The tall stance, sharp front fairing, and distinctive beak-style nose give the bike a commanding road presence, while the muscular fuel tank adds to its aggressive yet refined character. Aerodynamics play a key role in the design, with an adjustable windscreen that allows riders to fine-tune wind protection for long highway rides. LED headlights and tail lights provide a modern look while improving visibility and safety during night riding. The overall aesthetic strikes a balance between sporty aggression and touring elegance, making the Versys 1000 visually appealing without being overly flashy. It's a design that ages well and continues to feel premium even after years of ownership. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Versys 1000 lies a powerful inline-four engine that delivers smooth, predictable, and refined performance. This engine is known for its linear power delivery, making it easy to ride at low speeds while still offering strong acceleration when the throttle is opened. In city traffic, the engine feels calm and manageable, allowing relaxed riding without constant gear changes. On the highway, the Versys 1000 truly shines, providing effortless cruising and confident overtaking power at any speed. The engine's smoothness significantly reduces vibrations, which is especially important for long-distance touring. Combined with a well-balanced chassis and a suspension setup tuned for both comfort and control, the Versys 1000 delivers a riding experience that feels stable, composed, and confidence-inspiring across a wide range of road conditions. Technology and features. The Versys 1000 is packed with modern technology designed to enhance both safety and rider comfort. Advanced electronics, such as traction control, multiple riding modes, and cornering ABS help maintain stability and control in varying road and weather conditions. A full-color TFT display provides clear and easily readable